Hi, my name is Derek. I'm here to talk about my experience in dealing with Paragon stairs. As you can see behind me, we got a spiral staircase from Paragon stairs to get us from the deck to our concrete pad at the rear of our house. One of the reasons that we went with a spiral staircase is because we wanted to have a small footprint as possible, because most staircases that they come out, do an L angle and back. This one, the footprint in the bottom is probably less than 3 feet and coming off the top. So it takes up very little space, and it looks great. And I had priced out a number of spiral staircases, and Paragon, which I found through the internet, had a great interaction with them. They asked for some measurements, took some measurements from the upper deck, the height, the width that I needed. I sent that information back to them. They sent me up with a representative that we had a video conferencing call. After the video conferencing call, he sent me a drawing of the staircase and what it would look like. And we couldn't be happier. We set up a delivery date. It came on time. I do live in Canada, so they do ship to Canada. It came in one box. We went through the box. All the pieces were there. The only extra that we did after it was set up is that we got it as galvanized steel, and we had it painted black just so it was consistent with what the deck looks like. Underneath, or the top part, is a steel deck. Now that took about 3 or 4 people to help hold in place as we put it together, but the rest of the spiral staircase I put together myself. I'm not that handy, but it still was easy to put together. Altogether it took 2 days, but if you add the hours up, it's probably less than 8 hours. And like I said, it was, of all the prices that I got, they beat the competitors by a lot. And like I say, I live in Canada, they ship to Canada, and it was just a great experience dealing with them, either on the phone or through the internet, through the video conferencing call. It was awesome, and everything went together very, very smoothly. So thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation.